Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Tom Ford model TF5666-B in color code 074. It's a transparent peach rose gold color frame. On the temples here, we have a Tom Ford logo and a temple tip. And the temple is gold color. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. This is the other side of the temple with a Tom Ford logo and the temple tip. The lenses are a blue block lenses, which block out blue lights. And in the top left lens, we have a Tom Ford logo engraved. Up here we have a Tom Ford gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, an authenticity card, and the manufacturer card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.